Going there, guys, just doing a bit of a test on the Starlink Mini. If you notice that second hole there beside the power hole, it's actually got a white plug in it like normally, but you can pull that plug out, and then what you're going to end up with is a port you can put like an Ethernet cable in. So you're going to have that Ethernet cable and powering like Starlink. But what we're actually checking out is how we get that Ethernet cable into our head unit, because these Starlinks have a built-in modem, so they actually have a built-in Ethernet port instead of the older ones where you used to have to put it to a router and then take the Ethernet port from that. So then what we have is we have our USB to Ethernet adapter here. So this is the Ethernet cable that was coming down from the roof. That plugs into here. So this is a way to give our units internet from a LAN source, I guess you could call it a LAN source. Just a cable source, like an Ethernet cable. And what you're after is some lights in the back here, flashing. And then on the actual screen, I'll show you, you're going to get this little port up here. This a little bit here, where those are two little arrows. And now, that means our unit is collecting internet from the Starlink off the roof. So I've currently got a SIM card in here, so I might just have to see if I can turn that SIM card off. Mobile network, mobile data. Let's turn that off for a second. Because what I want to test, so I've turned off our mobile data because this one had a SIM, like a SIM card in it. Now I just want to go into Chrome and we'll just see. I don't know if the Starlink's been powered up long enough yet to have internet, but let's have a look. Speed test. Yeah, we've got internet. So we've got internet coming in from that cable, and you can see Starlink in the city. This is Starlink Mini. We are getting pretty good down. So I guess the whole setup we're running here is we've got just the cigarette lighter to the Starlink, which we sell, and then we've got the adapter and an Ethernet cable, and you can see those are the sort of results we're getting. Now I've had a few customers ask about this. We already had the USB to Ethernet adapter, because that used to work on the older Starlinks. Now the Mini's even better because it has that built in, so you can just run that Ethernet cable straight out of there and into our head unit, and that's going to give our head unit internet the whole time, which is handy. Now how you use this we'll probably try to cover in a few more videos, and after we talk to some people, because a lot of our customers, for example, I actually have my phone hooked to the Starlink so I can do Wi-Fi calling, but that means you can't run wireless CarPlay, so you drop out your CarPlay. So what they might even be doing is they might even just put all the stuff they want directly on the head unit, so they've got maps, they've got music, etc., and just run it without CarPlay, and then just have CarPlay, so have their phone hooked up just over Bluetooth, and just do their hands-free calling, which is actually the Wi-Fi from the Starlink on the roof. So pretty cool sort of way to give yourself a hands-free satellite phone for when you're remote, and that is sort of what we have covered there.